Right. We have the Bud Light can.
Alright, put them in.
Authentic snap-on box. Key.
Key.
Yeah.
Snap on. Unlocked right now. Oh, we're locked right now. So, unlocked. There we go.
Multiple drawers unlocked.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, legit.
Unlocked. Alright. Fully locked.
As I aggressively try and open.
Alright. Everything's locked. Now, all you need to do
Pry bar.
pry the drawer down a little bit. Get the steel in there.
Flip yourself a equivalent of a 3/16" plate.
And then slide it
Flip her all the way back.
the rail in the back. Push the rail up. And the drawer is open.
That is how you hack into a snap-on toolbox.